Tasting a beer. Brut IPA, full disclosure, I have had this. I actually kegged this beer. Why is there a bottle here, you ask? Because I kicked the keg as I was filling a growler, and I was like, oh crap, I haven't done a tasting video yet. So I filled it up, almost a full bottle from the growler. Hopefully it didn't get oxidized. This was like 5 days ago. Let's get right to it. I just literally got a bottling wand, quickly ran it off, so it's not very carbonated. Well, it didn't hold that well, at least. And as you can tell, it's also cloudy. I have no idea why. How weird is that? I didn't do any dry hopping during fermentation. I dry hopped in the keg. I did do a 15-minute boil and a steep. It's just Galaxy all the way through to the end. I don't know. It's just 2-row. I mashed, fairly low, but I shouldn't be a factor. The yeast was 001. It wasn't the London 3. It's the first beer I think I've made in a while where it turned cloudy when I wasn't intending to. So this is not a true Brut IPA. I think it's supposed to be clear and sparkling like a champagne. But here we are. The nose off the bat is wonderful. It's fruity. It's bright. It punches in your face with just stone fruit. Oh, like a big mango, like papaya, like guava. Oh god, it's incredible. Not much citrus though, just a big passion fruit, stone fruit thing going on. It's amazing. I'm so glad I switched to hops at the last second and went with just Galaxy. During the brew day video, I had Brew 1 I was going to use, and Hill Melon, I think. And it just didn't smell perfectly fresh, but I bought some Galaxy to dry hop with, and it smelled so fresh. I'm so glad I used that in the steeping and dry hopping, because I think it made a huge difference. It tastes the same. Fruity. The bitterness level is perfect. Say the hair on the bitter side, but I love it. There's at 80 IBUs, but I found 80 IBUs is about what I like for my homebrew. I've also seen studies on a few people and a few brewers that they've actually sent their beer and they have their IBUs tested. They think it's at like 70, but it's at like 50. I'm not saying what this is, but it was on a session once I forgot who did it, what podcast it was. I think Brulosophy sent it in too once, and both times they were under what they thought it was going to be. So I started doing it, and this tastes closer to like 65-ish to me on IBUs. Anyway, food for thought. It's clean, it's crisp, looks hazy. It doesn't have that hazy, full-body, juicy thing going on. It just tastes like a regular IPA that happens to be hazy. It does have the perceived dryness to it. That low gravity at 1.004. It doesn't have that sweet residual sugar thing going on at all. Man, this is so good. I might even make a Brut IPA in general from here on out and throw Beano in all my IPAs because this is so good. Maybe it has something to do with the cloudiness. Maybe like the way it broke up the sugars or something with the polyphenols and the yeast interaction. I have no idea. It was a wonderful beer. Probably the best IPA I made this year, maybe in the last 2 years. This is one of those times where I kick my 1-gallon keg and I'm annoyed about it. I'm like, I should have made more. But 70% of the IPAs I make, I'm glad I only have 1 gallon because it oxidized or something off or not how I want it. But it's all right. I failed on the Brut IPA aspect of it with the clearness. The rest of it I nailed. And that's all that matters. So yeah, thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, all that good stuff. Oh man. And keep brewing. Just keep brewing. And get a little weird.
Baby, you're the one for me. Baby, you are meant for me. I'm madly in love with you. Baby, you're the one for me. Baby, you are meant for me.